David, don't eat the seeds, ha? Only the meat outside. So you're eating breakfast, Tara, no? You finish your noodles, mommy's bread. Eating the fruits. Oops. This is fruits. This is rambutan. Okay, rambutan. And this one is the lanzones. The grapes, okay, and apple. This one, we call this wrong ring. Yeah, the other one is doko. I think they call this is lanzones, but this is duku. See? Yeah, what happened? Because they disobey God.
Yeah, our baby died in the cross.
Baby. Look at that.